Hello everyone, my name is Scout Bernstein and today we will be reviewing the Valor 42V13. This is 44 feet 1 inches long and 15,600 pounds dry. Let's go check inside. Now we're in this beautiful kitchen space of this Valor 42V13. You gotta check out our 4-burner residential cooktop that we just added back into the 2024 lineup. It has a full turkey tested oven and a residential microwave above. In the kitchen, you have to have plenty of cabinetry. You gotta check out how tall our cabinets are, but they have soft close hinges as well as magnets holding everything into place. And you'll also notice that this is our brand new colorway for 2024. It's called the Urban Slate. It has more of a gray tone. This is the first color change that we made on the Valor series so far. We know countertop space is important in any fifth wheel. What we've added on this 42V13 is flip up countertop extensions and plenty of countertop space on both sides of that oven. Lastly, let's talk about this full-size pantry with adjustable shelves and motion lighting throughout. One of the biggest selling features of this floor plan is the dedicated dinette with seating for 4. All right, we talked about our dedicated dinette table. There's a few other features I'd like to focus on in this slide room. One being our atrium style windows. You're gonna get 50% more airflow with this style of window. You also have our room darkening shades, and on 2024s, we've added this new epoxy trim that has a nice clean look. In the living space, we have a 3-seat recliner with this middle section that folds down. It has cup holders on both sides, outlets in the middle section, as well as cup holders on the ends. In the Valor series, we're using the Kensington collection. One of the biggest complaints is RV furniture peeling and cracking over time. This has a polyurethane coating on it and a 5-year hydrolysis warranty that's gonna last you a lot longer. In the entertainment space, we have a 5500 BTU electric fireplace, a JBL sound system, a 50-inch HD TV, and plenty of overhead cabinetry. This is what you came for, now we're in the garage space. This 42V13 has a full 13-foot garage. Let me highlight a few features. One of the customer-driven features in the Valor series is adding the washer-dryer prep in the garage. We also have it prepped up in the front closet, so it's really up to you where you want to put that. Every Valor will have a half bath. This has a full porcelain toilet with a soft close toilet lid and epoxy pour tops. For 2024, a customer-driven features, we've changed the orientation of the loft. Now you have access from the garage space. To the right of the loft, we have a 12-volt HGTV and additional storage. A key feature I'd like to highlight in the garage space is our L-track system. There's over 300 connection points, really gives you the flexibility to hook up your toys or any accessories throughout this garage space compared to the 8 D-rings that are typically found in most toy haulers. I'm sitting on the brand new HappiJac system for 2024. We have a brand new colorway, as well as this Alliance logo embroidered in. You have the 2 cup holders, and this also flips into a bed, and you have a loft above for additional sleeping. We understand you guys want to extend that camping season. So what we've done in the Valor garage space is we have a fully insulated garage floor with fiberglass batt insulation, as well as a dedicated heat vent to produce a little bit more heat in those colder months. We're on the rear patio. There's a few features I'd like to highlight. One is our 3-season glass doors that helps extend that camping season, as well as our weather-resistant ramp deck. Instead of using Luan wood, what we found is that is a big warranty issue over time. It starts to rot and mold, where we're using all composite materials, which gets rid of that headache. Now we're on the beautiful side patio of this Valor 42V13. This is great because it has awning coverage above, has a 12-volt TV that runs directly off of your solar panels, and a JBL sound system. This is great for the big game. Before we head upstairs, there's a few key Alliance standard features that I'd like to talk about. No in-floor heat vents on the main level. Also, we are using SmartWire, which is color-coded in a number-coded wiring system, and dimmer switches throughout. In the bathroom space, there's a few new additions that we made on the 2024 models. One is going to be this brand new fiberglass sunk-in shower. Gain a lot of extra head height, just how this shower is created. Also, we've added a double door medicine cabinet. Great for his and hers. You have plenty of additional space in that bathroom for all your toiletries. Also, we have a porcelain toilet with a soft close toilet lid. Now we're in the master suite. We have a king size bed up here with outlets and USB charging on both sides and plenty of natural light. Across from the bed, we have a 32-inch 12-volt TV that's running off that solar panel on the roof, but we have hidden storage up top in this dresser, 3 drawers going all the way down, the hidden shoe garage underneath, and then you have all of the storage underneath that bed. We know storage is king. For 2024, we made a few adjustments to this master closet space. One, you'll notice that we have a closet rod up top, great for all of that hanging space, adjustable shelves, as well as washer dryer prep in the center section. We just talked about the center section of this closet. Now let's talk about the left and right hand side. We have a his and hers closet, that has hanging rods on both sides and pull out drawers. One of the biggest selling features on the Alliance products is our air conditioning system. This has 3 AC standard. You can run any 2 on 30 amp service and all 3 on 50. One of the unique things is we removed a lot of ductwork. These are 50% more efficient, being the direct dumps. The only ductwork we have is into the bedroom and bathroom space to cool off both areas. I hope you guys enjoyed this new interior color of the Valor 42V13. Let's go check out outside, but before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe to all of our social media content. Now we're looking at the running gear on this Valor 42V13. It's a triple axle. This has the largest G-rated tires we can purchase at 4,400 pounds of capacity, 16-inch, 14 ply. We didn't stop there. We've added V-brackets for extra reinforcement, heavier duty leaf springs, heavier duty wet bolt and shackle kits, and a 2-inch torsion tube across our frame for extra strength and rigidity. Now we're in the exterior of this Valor 42V13. Right in this entryway, we have the Lippert solid steps as that top wider step. Makes for a stronger first step going up into the entry of this RV. Also, we have an extended grab handle and our brand new G-Class glass entry doors that are on the 2024 models. My favorite feature of this floor plan is this side patio. This has the Moride clip-on steps. It's a 4-step system. This also clips in for a grab handle. But the great thing is you have patio fencing all throughout. Not only is this great for watching that big game, this is great for pets or kids fencing off this space. Now we're into the entry space into this garage. One thing that we've changed on 2024s is we've added that 4th step. Makes that last step a little bit easier to get down into. And then we also have that glass door in this back entry as well. On the Valor series, we have a Moride air compressor coming standard. This is rated for up to 120 PSI. You have connections on the off-door side as well as the door side, but many customers are bringing air compressors with them. We wanted to give a dedicated space directly for this. Now we're on the rear of this 42V13. There's a few things I'd like to point out. One being our rear awning. This gives great shade to this full patio deck. Another great feature is our zero gravity ramp door. So this is going to be an assisted ramp door that makes it super easy to bring in and out. On the off-door side of this coach, we're at the fueling station. What we have is 2 30-gallon gas tanks. One is going to be an auxiliary tank, great for all of your extra gas needs. The front is going to be for the generator strictly. There's going to be a pumping station where you can pump all the fuel from the back tank forward. Also on the off-door side of this coach, we have a rear ladder. This is rated for up to 250 pounds, and this is great to get on that fully walkable roof. So removing the front of the camper, what we have is a 12-gallon gas electric water heater. This can run off of propane and electric. Then we have our 40,000 BTU furnace. This is very oversized in this class, extends that camping season, makes it warmer in those colder months. And lastly, we have our gray and black tank pull valves. This has 2 gray tanks that are 53 gallons each and 2 black tanks that are 53 gallons as well. Here we have dedicated plumbing lines for every single plumbing location. This is going to be labeled out accordingly. If it's your shower spray port, your main bathroom toilet, everything will have a shutoff directly at the source. Other things I'd like to highlight, you have your city water connections, your tank flushes, and your winterization all in a convenient location. We're just trying to simplify this process for you. On all Valors, we give you this easy access hatch that gives you access to all of your plumbing and electrical needs. On the door side and off-door side, we have space for propane tanks. They're 30-pound propane tanks. It also has an LP regulator in there that you can decipher which tank you want to pull from. Now we're at the front storage compartment on this Valor. What you'll find is on the left-hand side is the generator. It's an NPS 5500, coming standard. You also have one 100 amp hour lithium battery and plenty of overhead storage. You got to check out our 2024 Valor front cap. We've redesigned this, has a nice modern and clean look to it with enhanced lighting all throughout. Now we're here at the front storage compartment. What you'll see is this is going to be unobstructed storage. We have outlets all throughout, cable connections, a water spray port, and an LP quick connect underneath for your gas grill. A customer enhancement we've made is adding key to like on all of our baggage doors throughout this coach. An important feature on the exterior of this coach is our sidewalls. What we're using is an Azdel composite sidewall. Most of our competitors use a Luan wood, which tends to delaminate, rot, mold over time. The benefits of Azdel is that it's going to be 50% lighter, 2 times the insulation value. It's not comprised of any sort of wood products. It's all composite. So this is going to last you a lot longer and get rid of those warranty headaches. Not only are we using this on the exterior of the coach, we're using it in the interior as well. There is 2 full layers of Azdel throughout this Valor 42 V13. For the Valor series, we wanted to be the masters of 12 volt. What that means is we want you guys to boondock longer. This comes with 2 320 watt solar panels, 1 100 amp hour lithium battery, and a 40 amp charge controller. This runs anything that's 12 volt throughout the camper. That means your lights, your slides, your jacks. We've also converted our TVs to 12 volt, our recliners, and the biggest thing, the refrigerator. Thank you guys for joining me on this tour of the Alliance Valor 42 V13. Again, my name is Scout Bernstein. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below, or if you need any additional information, you can go to alliancerv.com. I'll catch you next time. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. No. No, I don't want to say Valor. I don't want to say Valor. In most toy haulers, in those floor plans, get into it. And there's a customer-driven feature, and it sucks. I need to say dedicated dinette. I'm sitting on the recliners. Let me. La 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 la. Now we're in the garage space. Now we're in the important part. It's my name, Scout, S-C-O-U-T, Bernstein. Yeah. What do you think, Sam Ally? As well as a dedicated heat. We're on the rear deck of this 42. Oh my. It's not gonna rot or mold over time. On the patio. We're on the back patio. We're on the back patio. There's a few features. We're on the rear patio. There's a few features I'd like to highlight. You're welcome.
I'm on, you're on. Sure
You have beautiful, why am I saying beautiful? Beautiful, 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 beautiful morning. This is B-roll for the cabinetry. It has more of a gray tone with light. I don't know. I mean, I just don't know how to explain. A few standard, nope, that are. Nope. Flush door slides. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just mumble. For 2024, we've made a few as well as all the storage on both. Smells weird. One being our rear awning. This gives great patio. Hungry. Okay. Hold on just a second. Go to alliancerv.com because it's the best.
But it's one take.
One take. Everyone knows the rules. Hey, this is first take.
One is done.
One done.
Money.
Am I your favorite?